Good afternoon, students. Matthew Kurian here. So last class we were discussing about campus placement related things. We understood that which all are the topics are very important for campus placements, and what is the strategy for learning all those topics. And we come to notice that general aptitude and online coding is very important. So we started with the online coding. So we are on the way to be master in C, C++ and Python. So last class we just started with the precedence, associativity and all. Today we are continuing little bit with precedence, associativity, little bit basics of programming. After that we will be doing again Hackerrank. I will be showing that first day 3 programs were given. One program we have already done in the last class. 2 more programs are there. We will discuss how we can do all those programs and get the output. So around 1.5 hours this session will be there. Hope you will enjoy it. Okay, so I am switching the screen, so you can see the green board now. Hope you are able to see. Can you, in the chat box, can you type yes I can see or yes Y? In the chat box can you type yes Y? You can type Y so that I will understand that you are able to see my screen. Please type yes. Very good. So one or two problems we have already finished. This just a brief revision about the last class. We know that a precedence, an operator is having precedence and associativity. So this is the, if you can see the screen, operators are given over here, associativity is given over here. Okay, operators means all the operators in a programming language. In C++ or C language, it will be like postfix operator, prefix operator, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, left shift, right shift, like that many operators are there. So among them, what is the order? If somebody is telling that, sir, this is the I want to do A plus B star C. Normally how we do? We do like B star C will be done first, and answer of that one. Maybe if A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3, B into C, that means 2 into 3, 6 will be, answer will be finding first. Why? Because in school we have already learned that we have to follow Bodmas rule. In that one, bracket, division, addition, multiplication, addition, subtraction, that order only you have to do, right? So we will be doing multiplication B into C, that is 3 into C, 3 into 2, 6, and with that one I will be adding A. So A is 1. So 1 plus 6, that will be, answer will be 7. Okay. Now I will be asking you why you have done multiplication first. Okay, fine, you have done multiplication first. Now in computer I am giving x equal to A plus B star C. Now how computer will do? Same way, the father of computer, your compiler, father of who has designed that particular programming language. If in this case of C or C language, it is Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie, while he is writing the compiler, he already written the program saying that precedence of all the operators. Precedence means what order it has to be executed. The precedence of multiplication operator is greater than multiplication precedence. Multiplication precedence is greater than addition's precedence. Okay, because of that reason multiplication will be done first. Okay, and if you see, and after doing that multiplication, that answer will be added with A. That is the way it is working. So now we will see this particular chart. In this chart you can observe that postfix increment, prefix increment, decrement, not complement, all these operators in the upcoming classes we will be studying. And next one, this is having higher precedence 1, multiplication, division and modulus precedence 2, next highest, then addition and subtraction 3, left shift and right shift 4, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to 5, and after that equal to and not equal to precedence 6. Okay, bitwise AND operation precedence 7, XOR operation precedence 8, OR operation precedence 9, logical AND precedence 10, logical OR precedence 11, conditional operator precedence 12, and assignment operators. Last one is comma operator. Assignment and compound assignment is having 13, and this is actually 14. This order only you have to execute. So now if somebody, so computer is blindly following that order. If you are writing x equal to a plus b star c, okay, b star c, because multiplication's precedence is higher than addition's precedence. So definitely b star c will be done first, after that only addition will be done. Okay, now the second case is at associativity. Associativity comes in such a way that a plus b plus c. If you write like this, a plus b plus c, if you write like this, which one will be executed first? A plus b will be executed first, and after that, that answer of a plus b will be added with the c. Now how it came to know, otherwise we can write like this, a power b power c, x equal to a power b power c. A power b power c. B power c has to be done first. That one should be given to finding the a power. Fine. So now in this case it should be, this operator should be executed from right to left, right? And this case it should be executed from left to right. So this kind of confusion arises only when the precedence of two operators are same. If the precedence of operators are different, there is no confusion, you can go with higher precedence. Okay, if it is same, then you have to do the, based on that precedence associativity, you have to do either from left to right or right to left. Based on this principle, we have done some problems yesterday. Today also I will give another problem. Can you find the answer for this one? Just I think we have not done this one. You just tell me the answer for this question. 3 plus 4 minus 7 into 8 divided by 5 mod 10. What will be the answer? This is the exact way how we solve all the problems. What is the answer for? Can you type in the chat box the answer for this one? Can you type in the chat box? Please keep a notebook and pen ready so that you can do the problem then and there and tell the answer. Type the answer for this one in the chat box. I am expecting your answer. Six, many are telling 6. Okay, we will see how we will solve this one. Now how many operators are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 operators are there. And from this one we know that multiplication, division and modulus, that precedence chart you have to remember. Multiplication precedence and modulus is having higher precedence. After that only addition and subtraction. After that only equal to will come into picture. Okay. So in that case, what will be the answer? In that case, if six operators are there, we have to do the highest precedence operator first. Which one is the highest precedence operator? Multiplication. I have multiplication, division and modulus. All three are there. Now which one we have to do? Multiplication. This all, if the precedence is same, then go with the associativity. So which one? Multiplication, division and modulus is having left to right associativity. Addition and subtraction is having left to right associativity. Equal to is having right to left associativity. Okay, so now I have to do from left to right. So 7 into 8, how much? 56 divided by 5. 56 divided by 5, how much? 11. 11 mod 10. 11 mod 10 is remainder. After dividing it with 11, the remainder is 1. Now the expression is becoming x equal to 3 plus 4 minus 1. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 minus 1 is actually 6. So 6 is the answer. Anybody got it correctly? 6 is the answer. So if you got it correctly, type Y. Yes, I got it correctly. Type Y. Okay? Anybody got it? If you got it correctly, please type Y. Fine, fine, fine. Very good. So I am showing the answer. So this one, everything I have compiled. So the answer is actually x equal to 6. Now in that case, you can do this one. Can you do this problem? Tell me the answer. Do this problem and tell me the answer. Everybody, try this. All of you try this. Tell me the answer. I am expecting for your answer. Finally, I am printing A. I want what will be printed for A. What will be printed for A? Please type the answer. Here also I am having division, multiplication, okay, then addition, subtraction, then equal to. So division has to be done first. So if division has to be done first, b by 2 has to be done first. Okay, b by 2 means 3 divided by 2. Both are integers. So the 3 by 2, even though it is 1.5, since both are integers, only the integer value will come as output. So this will be b by 2 will be 3 by 2, that is actually 1. Okay, even though it is 1.5, the answer, the sub expression will be giving you the value 1. Now addition we cannot do. Okay, now we are supposed to do b into 8. What is b into 8? This one, b into 8. b is 3, so 8 3s are 24. Now we are supposed to do 24 divided by b. 24 divided by b means 24 divided by 3. So answer is 8. I cannot do this minus b. Now I am supposed to do a divided by 3. A divided by 3 means 1.5 divided by 3. 1.5 divided by 3 is actually 1. How much? A is 1.5. 1.5 divided by 3. Since A's value is float value, the output of the sub expression will be a float. So this answer will be 0.5. So how the expression is becoming? A equal to 1 plus 8 minus b plus 0.5. A is equal to 1 plus 8 minus b plus 0.5. So this will become 1 plus 8 minus, what is the value of b? 3 plus 0.5. So 8 plus 1 9 minus 3 6. So 6.5 will be the answer. 6.5 will be the answer. Okay, 6.5 will be the answer for this one. So strictly follow the precedence and associativity. Why I am telling this much importance to this one is that in our TCS or any other company, especially in TCS, National Qualifier Test, if you are in the upcoming month, maybe you will be getting that one. Every year TCS is conducting a National Qualifier Test. In their tests, general aptitude will be there in the first round, online coding also will be there. Okay, with that one more, I told no, programming again they can further divide. One more round is there called programming logic. In the programming logic round, they will be giving 10 questions. And that 10 questions, it will be, you have to find the output of small programs. Find the output of small programs. Exactly, or as the same way, they will not ask this kind of operators. They will be mixing functions with operators, recursion with operators, all those pointers with operators. So if operators behavior, if it is thorough, then only you can touch that problem. Okay, last year I came to notice that out of the 10 problem, if anybody got 5 problems correctly, 5 program segments output, if they are telling correctly, they all got selected in the first round. Okay, last year happened like that. Okay, so it is very important. This kind of studying is very, very important. Now I will give one more question. Can you, this is the answer. So your answer is A is equal to 6.5. A is equal to 6.5. Fine. So I'll give you one more question. You have to do it by yourself now. Okay, now you do this one. Try to do this one and type the answer in the chat box. Find the answer for this one. Type the answer in the chat box. Please do it. Type the answer in the chat box. Let me see whether you are getting it correctly or not. Anybody got? P equal to 1, Q equal to 1. Evan, Chris, Joy is telling the correct answer. P is equal to 1, Q is equal to 1. Any other answer? Oh, very good, very good. Nandana is getting correct. Abhishek, Ajida Nair, Anjida Nair, Elvis Tony, Shankar, Radhika, Sanfi Rashid, Sarga K, Archana, Devika, many are getting correct answer. Very good, very good. Fine. So I will explain how we are getting this answer. Those who didn't get the answer, now you can listen to the screen. Now, if you see here, the precedence of greater, many operators are here. Equal to is an operator, greater than is an operator. Okay, greater than is having higher precedence than not equal to. Okay. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to and equal to, next higher precedence. Okay, after that only which one is coming? Normal assignment is coming. This is the order of the precedence. So first of all, we have to ensure that all the operators which is having higher precedence, it should be finished first. Okay, so greater than or equal to, if anything is there, we have to finish first. So now x is assigned to 10, y is assigned with 5. Now this one we have to do x greater than 9. X greater than 9, is it true or not? X greater than 9, 10 is greater than 9, it is true. Now computer has to tell us that it is true. Now this we have to remember it very clearly. Okay, whenever computer is telling to us that it is true, means he will always give 1. Whenever computer is telling that it is true, he will always give 1. Whenever he want to tell us that it is false, he always give 0. False means 0, 1 is true. Okay, for computer. But when human beings are giving some input to him, computer will take all zeros are false and all non-zero values are true. Non-zero means -5 is also true for him, 5 is also true for him, 1 is also true for him, or any other. Okay, other than 0, 0.0005 is also true for him. Other than 0, any value is true for computer. Okay, so now x greater than 9 is true. Computer want to tell us that it is true. How? This sub-expression value will become 1. So P will be equal to 1. Okay, now next expression, greater than or equal to is there, ampersand is there, and not equal to is there, which is having higher precedence. This and is having a precedence, which is, you see here, and is having a precedence. This is our logical and. Logical and is having precedence greater than equal to. Okay, so equal to. Fine. Now, which is having, now among this one, this is also an operator. So 4 operators are there. Greater than will be having higher precedence. See, greater than is having higher precedence. Not equal to is having second higher precedence. And is having third higher precedence. Equal to is having the last precedence. So which one we are supposed to do? X greater than 3. Whether it is correct? 10 is greater than 3. Yes, it is true. Computer want to say that it is true. So this sub-expression value will become 1. Okay. Now y not equal to 3. Y not equal to 3, that is also correct. So this one will become 1. Now the expression is becoming q equal to 1 and 1. Q equal to 1 and 1. 1 and 1. If you know, so this one we will study a little bit later also. And operation, if both are 1 means output will be true. Both are true means output will be true. Any one is false means output will be false. So both are true. So the output will be 1. So Q will be assigned with 1. So we already found P's value. Now Q's value also will become 1. So all of you got it correctly. P equal to 1, Q equal to 1. That is the answer. We will check whether it is correct or not. P equal to 1, Q equal to 1. See, I have already executed this program. So the answer is P equal to 1, Q equal to 1. This is the way we are supposed to do. One more time, if you want to see this video, you can see from our YouTube channel. So I am not repeating it. One more time, after the class, you can verify it whether it is correct, or one more time you want to see the concept and all, it is possible. Okay, fine. So I'll go moving forward. Now you find the answer for this one. After this one, we will go for a little bit if loop, if else, while, for loop and all those things. After that, we will do 2 problems in Hackerrank and we will stop. Tell me, what is the answer? Please type the answer. X should be printed. What will be the printing value of X? What will be the printing value of X? Please type the answer. Whoever is getting first, immediately you type. I will call your name. Type the answer. Who is getting? 1. Beena Kurian, 1. Archana, 0. Abhishek, 1. Anjali Vijayan, 0. Oh, many are getting 1 and 0. Why? It is like binary. Donna Johnson, 1. Okay. Lindsay Elias, Nandana, Sri Lakshmi, all 0. All are Reshma, Denya, people 1. So 1 and 0. So it clearly shows to me that you are totally confused. Many are getting 1 and many are getting 0. So some conceptual misunderstanding is there actually. Some conceptual misunderstanding is there. That's why many are getting both this 1 and some are, majority are getting 1. Again another majority is getting 0. No other answer. So you are confused. So I will explain it. Okay, fine. So I will just write the precedence. Here many operators are there. We are having equal to, not equal to, not equal to. Not equal to will be having higher precedence. After that it will be ampersand. After that it will be equal to. Okay, fine. Now that is the precedence. We will check it. Now A is equal to 30, fine. B is equal to 40, it's okay, fine. Assigned 40's value is given to integer B. Now I know that bracket is having the highest precedence, so we will be evaluating bracket from left to right. First we are supposed to do this bracket, after that this bracket, then ampersand and equal to. Okay, so first bracket, A not equal to 10. Is it correct? A not equal to 10. A is equal to 30. So A not equal to 10 is actually correct. 30 not equal to 10 is actually correct. So what will happen? This will become 30 not equal to 10 is correct. Okay, so this expression, sub expression value will become 1. Now I cannot do this AND operation because another bracket is here, B equal to 50. Many students will be confusing while doing coding, also will be getting confusion with this comparison operator. Comparison operator is having 2 equal to and assignment operator is having 1 equal to. This is not a comparison operator. This is an assignment operator. Okay, when you are assigned, what is that? So assignment means this bracket has to be finished first. So assignment has to happen. So 50 should be assigned to B. So this 40 will be deleted and 50 will go here. Okay, now any sub expression, any operator you are evaluating, that sub expression value has to come out. So this sub expression's value is actually assignment sub-expression value is always the value which we are assigning. Okay, 50 we are assigning to B means this sub-expression value will be 50. Clearly you understand. Okay, you can type it in your system and check it. Okay, now the expression is becoming, okay, x equal to a not equal to 10 became 1 and 50. Now you may be getting confused. So how you got 50? It was 1. No confusion. Actually what you are assigning to the left side, okay, and the sub-expression's value will become the assigned value, okay, 50. But there is no issue with over here. Why? When human beings are telling computer, or otherwise computer when it is evaluating, he will take it true. How? Which all values are true for him? Anything other than 0 is true for him. Any value other than 0 is true for him. 1 is other than 0, so it is true. This is also other than 0, so this is also true. So true and true, computer want to tell us that it is true. True and true is true. So he will be making the sub-expression value 1. So that 1 will be assigned to, so 1 will be assigned to x. So the answer should be 1. Okay, answer should be 1. So this is the way we do problems. So we'll check the answer once. So answer is, you see, I have compiled it and the answer it is showing that it is 1. You can see it over here. Answer equal to 1. Okay, fine. So now I will give you, once many of you got it wrong, so I will give another problem. Now you try this one and tell me the answer. Next question. Now you try this one, A equal to 100 and B greater than 200. Tell the correct answer. Okay, don't make it mistake. These all are very fundamental things. Okay, so tell the correct answer. I am expecting for your answer. Okay, whenever you are getting answer, you please type. In the chat box you type. I can see that. I will call the name. Please type fast. What is answer? 1. All are getting 1. Anybody got 0? All are getting. Sanfi, Rashid, Anvin, Devika, Abhishek, John Paul, Elvis, Akila, Archana, Radhika, Nantana, all are getting 1. So there is no confusion. Now you understood, right? So I'll just write the precedence over here. Greater than is having higher precedence. Okay. Then logical, then comparison will be having next higher precedence. Comparison will be having next higher precedence. Okay. Then your logical or, okay, then your logical or, and after that only which one will come? Assignment will come. So there is a bracket over here. So in that bracket what all things are there, we have to finish it. It is comparison, or, and greater than. So greater than has to be done first. B greater than 200, is it correct? 200 greater than 200, is it correct? False. 200 greater than 200 is false. So this will become 0. Next it will do A equal to 100. Whether comparison, that is comparison. Okay, double equal to. A equal to 100 means yes, it is equal to. So it will tell that it is true. It is true. So this will become 1. Now the thing is becoming C equal to 1 or 0. This is OR operation. Previous one was, this one was AND operation. So 1 or 0. We know that OR operator, if any of the input is true, the answer will become true. So 1 or 0, this will computer will tell that it is true only. So what will be assigned to C? C equal to 1. What you got is exactly correct. Okay, very good. Many of you got it correct. Okay, very good. So now I will show. So this is the answer. I have compiled it and this is the answer. Fine. Very good. So now we will go with some many problems are there. Around 20-25 operators are there. All the operators we have to study through this kind of small expressions. So if we study like that, we will not forget. Simply mugging up will not work for this one. Okay, we will not forget. And when you are studying the operators, each operator how it is behaving in a program, that also will be cleared. Okay, so this is the way we are going to study, but now I want to make you do some Hackerrank program, so I am skipping some problems and I am going for some loops concept, if else and all. Now can you tell me if you can just see my screen, you tell me what will be the output of this one. Tell me what will be the output of this small program. Please type the answer fast. What will be the output of this small program? Type the answer fast. Anybody getting? X equal to 10. All are getting x equal to 10. Any other? Percentage D missing. Where is percentage D? Percentage D is not needed. 10. Everybody getting 10. X equal to 10. But that is wrong. That is wrong. Why it is wrong? Can somebody type why it is wrong? Can somebody type why it is wrong? Abhijit is telling it is error. Can Abhijit tell whether why it is wrong? Tell. Okay. So why it is wrong is that if it's a for a condition checking, okay, it's a condition checking thing. So if you are writing that condition checking, if, okay, bracket, very good. Who is telling? Devika is telling. Shankar Salil is telling. Very good. Many are telling. Okay. If there should be a bracket. Okay. Computer will check for any, if what is there in the bracket, it will evaluate fully. And if it is becoming 0, it will assume that it is false. If the inside brackets content, whenever we are evaluating, if it is becoming 0, it will assume that it is false. If it is becoming a non-zero, I am not telling 1, I am telling that expression evaluation, this x greater than 2 or bigger expression. If it is a non-zero value, computer will assume that it is true. True means non-zero, okay, and false means 0. Now this is wrong because this bracket is not given. So compile time error will be there. Okay. If bracket was given, definitely what will be the answer? X equal to, it will print x equal to, what is the value of x? X equal to 10, it will be printing. Okay. This kind of small mistakes we normally do. Fine. Many students I have seen that while doing Hackerrank programs in many colleges, they are doing simply missing some bracket. We should be the observation is very important for a software programmer. Okay. So this is the error. Compile time error is coming. Okay. X bracket is missing. Now you tell me answer for this one. I am expecting this answer. Tell me the answer for this one. Tell me answer for this one. Can you type it in chat box? I'm waiting for your answer. B equal to dash, C equal to dash. Please type the answer. Not is having higher, but I will write the precedence over here. B equal to 200, C equal to 200. Some are getting 0, 20, 300, 200. Different answer it is coming. That means conceptual understanding mistake is there. Okay. 300, 200. Many are getting 300, 200. 10, 20. Very good. Who is getting? DSN. 300, 200. Majority are getting 300, 200. Now I'll just write here the precedence. Not is having higher precedence. Now after that, greater than or equal to will be having next higher precedence, and equal to is having next higher precedence. Okay. Now if you observe here, this is done. A equal to 300, B equal to 10, C equal to 20. Now this one I am just writing it over here. Okay. Not of A greater than or equal to 400. A greater than or equal to 400. Is it true? Bracket you have to do first, innermost bracket. A greater than or equal to 400. A is 300. 300 greater than or equal to 400 is wrong. So computer have to tell that it is wrong. How it will tell? It will give 0. Now it is becoming 0 not. Not of 0 is 1. Not of 1 is actually 0. Okay? False will become true. True will become false. So not of 0 will become 1. Now this entire expression will be replaced with 1. Now I told you, if this bracket, if is having a bracket, that is must, it will evaluate whatever the things are there in the bracket and it will make it a single value. That single value, if it is a 0, then it is false, otherwise it is true. Non-zero means true. Minus value is also true, floating point value, everything is actually true. So if 1 means this is true. If it is true, which one will be evaluated? Nearby expression will be evaluated. So B is equal to 300. So this will become 300. This will evaluate. Okay. Since A greater than or equal to is false, not of 0 is equal to 1. So true. So B is equal to 300 will evaluate. And this expression is not having any connection with the if. Don't think that even if I write this C here, it is not having any connection. Okay. If is applicable only for the nearest expression. If you want more than one statement, if you want to associate with the if statement, then you have to put curly bracket. Okay. Then you have to put curly bracket. If you are not putting curly bracket, if is only associated with the nearest expression. Okay, fine. So C is equal to 200 will execute normally. So output will be B is equal to 300 and C equal to 200. So this is the way it is working. Many are getting it correctly. I know that it is correct. Okay. So B is equal to 300, C equal to 200. So this is the answer. B equal to 300, C equal to 200. We have already executed it. So that is the answer. Fine. So now we will move towards next one. Can you tell me the answer? If else, this is another one. I have already told you if, normal if, now it is if else. If not of 3.14, I am going to get a very good job. Else, we are going to get a very good job. What will be printed? I am going to get a very good job or we are going to get a very good job. What will be printed? Please type the answer. 1 or 2 you write. You don't have to type everything. Press 1 if it is I am going to get a very good job, or press 2 we are going to get a very good job. Many are telling we are going to get a very good job. Okay, fine. How it will be evaluated? If not of 3.14, I told you, okay, not of 3.14, not is having higher precedence. Okay, not of 3.14, not what it will do, any 0, any true will become false, false will become true. Now 3.14 is actually true. True, it has to tell, computer will tell that it is now false. So not of 3.14 will become false. If it is, it will become 0. This sub-expression value will become 0. So now it is becoming if 0. Anything we are giving inside if statement, that condition, okay, that will be evaluated. Any big expression you can give, that will be finally evaluated and giving a single, it should give a single value, and that single value should be a 0 or non-zero. Okay, if it is 0, it is false. If it is non-zero, it will be true. Okay, so now if 0, false. If it is true, this one has to execute. If it is false, this one has to execute. So we are going to get a very good job. We are going to get a very good job. Are you getting it? Very good. So type yes if you are following. If you are able to follow, type yes. Why you type? Then I can see that you are able to follow everything. Type why. That sir, good. I can follow. I understood. Very good. Type yes. Noob is not understanding. Noob, once again I will tell. Others are understanding, no? Okay. Once more I will tell. 3.14 is actually a non-zero value. Not, this is not symbol, not of 3.14. okay, this true, this is actually true. True, he has to convert it to false. So not of 3.14, computer has to tell that it is false. 3.14 is true. Okay, not of 3.14 is false, computer has to tell, so he will make it 0. So this entire expressions become 0. So if 0 means false. If it is true, first part, if it is false, else part will execute. That is the way C language in this if condition is working. Okay, noob, now you understood noob. Okay, so that is the way this is working. Now if you are not understanding, next one more time you can see the video, then correctly you will understand. So since it is false, so if expression is giving 0, it is giving else part answer, and that else part is actually we are going to get a very good job. Okay, so fine. Now see here, if not of 3.14, if you want to give more than one statement, okay, here normally by default it will be only one statement. If it is more than one statement, you have to put it in curly bracket. Else also more than one statement means you have to put it in curly bracket. Here only one statement, there is no issue. Fine. Now you can, so this is the answer. We are going to get a very good job. Okay, we are going to get a very good job. Okay, in fact we should be helping others to get job also, because this time is a little bit crucial, so we have to help everyone. Okay, fine. Now can you tell the answer for this one? Can you tell the answer for this one? Float A is equal to 12.25, B is equal to 13.65. If A equal to B, A and B are equal. Okay, else A and B are not equal. Can you tell the answer? Can you tell the answer? Please type the answer if you know. A is equal to 12.25 and B is equal to 13.65. Answer is B. Okay, I will explain that. We will see. Okay. Now, float A is equal to 12.25, A equal to 12.25, B is equal to 13.65. Okay. Here if you see, again confusion will come. Why? A equal to B is only comparison. This is the way they will be asking question. Okay, we already will be in tension in the campus placement on that day, recruitment day. Okay, this kind of expression if they give, we will think that okay, no, if A equal to B, oh, this is comparison, so both are okay, fine, but actually it is not comparison, it is equal to. Okay, if it is equal to, so A equal to B means, now this is like this, if A equal to B, okay, B's value will be assigned to A, B's value will be assigned to A, so this will become 13.65, this will become 13.65. okay, so now I already told you, if you are assigning a value, okay, if you are assigning a value, B's value is going to A, so this entire sub expression will be, what will be the value? This entire sub expression value, what you are assigning, okay, 13.65 will be the value. 13.65 will be the value of that entire expression. Okay, so now it is becoming, B's value is going to A and the entire expression's value is becoming 13.65, and now it is becoming if 13.65, if 13.65. So if 13.65, it's actually true. 13.65 is a non-zero value and it is actually true. So if it is true, what it will print? If it is true, what should be, it should print? If it is true, this statement only you have to print. It will print A and B are equal. Okay, okay, it will print A and B are equal. Once again I will tell, here it is A equal to B. Okay, you clearly remember, when you are assigning something, okay, when you are assigning something x equal to y, okay, this one x equal to or p equal to x equal to y means, equal to is having right to left associativity. First it will be done first. Okay, y's value, now this is maybe, okay, y value may be 20, y's value will come to x. Okay, so this x is having 20 and this entire sub expression value will become 20. Now it will become p equal to 20 and 20 will come to p and this entire sub expression is equal to 20. That is the way it is working. So in this case also, a equal to b, b will be assigned to a, that is 13.65. This entire sub expression value become 13.65. Okay, 13.65 is a non-zero value. If it is a non-zero value, it is considered, computer is considering as true. Okay, so if true, the first statement will execute, false, second statement will be execute. So the answer should be, it is coming as 13, since if 13.61 will be a and b are equal. That is the way it is working. Okay, and now one more time you can see the video if you want to see. So that is the case. Now maybe we'll, so that a and b are equal, a and b are equal, that will be the answer. Okay, so that will be the answer. Now maybe one while loop you can say, tell the answer. While loop, can you tell the answer for this one? Can you tell the answer for this one? While, somebody can tell how it is working. Again, remember here also bracket, if it is not there, it will show error. Okay, bracket if you are not showing, writing, then it will be saying error. Fine. So now the condition will be evaluated while, what condition you want to give, you can give. Whatever you are giving, that will be evaluated and will be coming as a single value. Okay, if that single value is true, means this loop will execute. True, how it will be true? Because any non-zero value is true. Any non-zero value is true. If it is true, this will execute. If it is zero, it will not execute. That is the idea. Okay, if condition also is like that, while condition also is like that. For loop is a modified version of while loop. I will tell in the upcoming classes. Okay, for loop is a modified version of while loop. So this same condition we are using in for loop also. Okay, so j less than or equal to 255. As long as j is less than or equal to 255, it will be executing. So it will be printing j, and every time it is increasing. So 1 to 255 it will be printing. 1 to 255 it will be printing. Okay, fine. So that is the case. Now, so this is the answer, prints 1 to 255. One more loop. This is the last loop. After that we can go for Hackerrank programming. Okay, now this is a small example of for loop. Can you tell me what is the answer for this one? For loop, what is the answer for this one? Sum equal to 0. I am now you observe over here, when you are doing, why I have given this example, when you are doing problem in your online coding platform. Okay, online coding platform, normally in the lab we always study that, okay, if any input you want to give, type cout, enter the number. That case and all will not work in Hackerrank, because in Hackerrank the problem setter already given the value of n. When I have set the question, it will give a input column. Okay, there will be an input column and there will be a output column. Okay, output column, and this input I have already given 3, and I know the answer of this particular problem, so I have given answer also. Okay, maybe answer is 6 I have written. Now this 3 will, when the compiler is executing this particular program, okay, this 3 will be given to this input. You normally don't give any input. Okay, and the output which is coming from this one will be compared with the output which I have already given. Okay, now if you give cout over here, this one will be compared with my output, and it will say that it is error. Okay, so be very careful. Whatever he is expecting, other than that, if he give, okay, if he is expecting odd, O small letter ODD, if he is expecting like this, if you write small letter ODD, then definitely it will be program is wrong. Okay, so read the question very carefully before attending that one, otherwise definitely it will go wrong. Fine. Very good. So this answer for this one, you understood it correctly. C in, if I am giving 3, this for loop is executing 3 times. Okay, this is initialization. In the later classes I will be explaining more. I equal to 1, this is one time initialization. Going inside, do this one, and after that this will be not be done. After that this will be done, this will be done, and getting inside. First this will be done, this will be done, and getting inside. That is only one time. After that, every time I++ condition checking, getting inside. I++ condition checking, getting inside. And what is that condition checking? Condition, while you are checking that condition, if at all it is becoming 0 means condition false. Condition false means this will come out and print the answer. Condition true means keep on doing in the for loop. Okay, condition false means it should become 0, otherwise it will become, okay, fine. Non-zero means it is true. Fine. So now here the answer will be, sum was initially 0, 3 times this will be executed, so the answer will be 1 plus 2 plus what? 2 plus finally I value, and I value will become 3. So 3 less than or equal to 3, correct. 1 plus 2 plus 3, answer should be 6. Okay, this is sum of n natural number question. So this is the way we do the problem. Now fine, if I am giving 4, it is like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, so total 10. That is the answer. We are showing it over here. Okay, total 10. Now you are ready to go and attack the first few Hackerrank problems. Now what you are doing, you're supposed to do is that go to this website. I'll just type the name of this website. Go to hackerrank.com, hackerrank.com/manifold-placement-training. If you type in your browser, okay, keep the class in your mobile and take a system and type hackerrank.com/manifold-placement-training. I have uploaded 3 problems over there. What is our target is that I will be giving you around 120 problems. Okay, 100, normally 100, but more than 100 problems I will be giving you. That problems you will be doing, okay, step by step. The first day problem is finding, for giving a number, we have to check whether it's an odd number or even number. Okay, odd number or even number. So what is the logic for that? C in n, I'll write the logic over here. C in n, okay, C in n, if n mod 2 is equal to 0, if n mod 2 is equal to, sorry, this one, if n mod 2 is equal to 0, what is that? C out. If you are dividing a number by 2 and if you are getting a no remainder means it will be even, even, okay, even, else it will be printing C out odd. So this is the logic for finding your a number, whether a number is even or odd. Okay, now another problem I will give you. Please check whether you are able to do or not. Other problem I will give. Second problem. This problem that I will show you in the Hackerrank. First you go to that browser and get that one. Okay, hackerrank.com/manifold-placement-training. Okay, you get that screen. Get inside. If you don't have a Hackerrank login ID, you please create it using your Gmail address. Please create it and get inside there. Okay, when you are going inside, you will be seeing 3 problems. One is for odd even number checking. Okay, basic max 1 you will be finding, basic max 1. Okay, basic max 1 you will be getting. Another problem, basic series 1 another problem, and basic pattern 1. 3 problems will be there. Okay, 3 problems will be there. Fine. So now basic max 1 is odd even finding. I already wrote. What is that logic? C in n if n mod 2 is equal to 0, C out even, else C out odd. That is the way it is working. Okay, this we will do. Now basic series. If there is a given a series like this, 1, 2, 4, then 8 up to n. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8 up to n. Now if you see here, first I have to print the value of n, and n will be given. If n is 64, I have to print 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32, 16, 32, 64. Okay, so that n will be given to you. So how we can write that? So basic logic I will write here. After that you can do it in Hackerrank. Okay, C in n, input you give. Okay, now I want to check. First I will be making a variable s equal to 1, and that is this one. Now what is the solution? How we are concluding their solution for this one? Okay, how we will conclude? I understood that this number, after printing this number, I need a space. After printing this number also I need a space. After printing this number also I need a space. But this number into 2 is this number. Again this number into 2 is this number. This number into 2 is this number. Okay, like that it is going. So how we will write the logic for this one? Fine. So now what should be the condition? We can do it with a while loop. While s less than or equal to, less than or equal to, s less than or equal to, s less than or equal to n. What we are supposed to do? I am supposed to print the value of s. Well, how will you print? C out s. No, don't give this one. C out yes. Okay, and after printing this one I need a space also. So again put like this, and for getting a space you can put like this. C out yes. S is actually 1, and print 1 and put a space. After that, then that 1 has to be multiplied with 2. So what it will become? S is equal to s into 2. Current value of s is 1. 1 into 2. Now s will become 3. 3 less than 1 into 2. Now it will become 2. So 2 less than or equal to n. Yes. Go and print the value. Again multiply by 2. Go and print the value. Print the value and a space. Print the value and a space. Okay. This will work. You can try. Okay. Basic series 1 you can try. Another one problem is there. This one. Star. If n is given as 3, you have to print a pattern. Star. Then second line 2 star. Third line 3 star. This is the way we are supposed to do. Okay, so what will be the logic for this one? First row. So this kind of pattern problem. Okay, what all problems are important I will tell. In my last 15 years experience, I have seen students are getting this mathematical basic problems, series kind of problems, okay, pattern kind of problems. Pattern means various kind of patterns are there. So we will be doing around 20-25 basic mathematics problems, 20-25 basic series problem, around 20-25 pattern problems. Then array and string based questions are compulsory question. Any previous year examination if you take, whether it is a TCS or anything, okay, everybody should be very much comfortable with the manipulation of array and manipulation of string. Compulsory. Because TCS last year, Wipro I will tell the case. Wipro last year 3 problems were given. Okay, first they send the call letter for the students who all have written all the 3 programs. This kind of basic problems only, not a big problem and all the 3 problems. Later stage again they have sent mail those who have completed at least 2 problems. So there is always a chance, if 3 problems are given to you, if 2 programming problems, if you are doing it correctly and all the test cases are passing, means there is a high chance that you will be getting the job. But if you are not at all doing any single problem, then we will be in big trouble. Why? Because currently the situation is very, very bad. Okay, opportunities are less. Okay, those who are enjoying, they will not get job. I am 100% sure. Last year, last year also, so those who are not enjoying, they were not getting. But now, very few will get that. Those who are having the right skill only will be getting the job. So please be concentrating on your general aptitude, coding skill. Okay, and the second stage we will be talking about mock interview, group discussion and all those things. Okay, so now we will explain, we will discuss this one, how we can get the pattern. So if any this kind of pattern, what we can do is that, we can make a matrix out of it. Then it will be easy to attack. Make a matrix out of it. Okay, this is the way you have to do. So now it is becoming like this. Now it is more clear. I am giving row values are I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3. Here j equal to 1, j equal to 2 and j equal to 3. Very good. So now if you see here, how I will get this? So first you get the input. What is that input? C in n. Okay, C in n. Now you write for loops for this one. Okay, since it's a matrix, we cannot write the program for this one with a single for loop. We need 2 for loops. Outer for loop will take care of the rows and inner for loop will take care of the columns. So I can write for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, this much. Now if you want, I will make another board. I'll draw it in another board. Okay, this is the way I have written. This was the case. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. Okay, this is I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3. J equal to 1, j equal to 2 and j equal to 3. Fine. So now C in n, okay, for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. What it will do? From 1 to n. 1 to n means I want first row, second row, third row. Okay, this is row and this is column. So outer for loop will take care of my rows. Now going inside the row, I have to create the column. But what will happen if I write like this? For j equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j less than or equal to n, I plus plus, C out star. Okay, C out star. Now here you need a C out for after every row it should go to the next line. So you can type like this, n line. Okay, now what will happen if I write like this? There is a complication. What is that complication? It will print like this, star. First it will print star. How many number of rows? 3 rows. Okay, n is equal to 3. Assume that n equal to 3. So 3 stars. Every column it is going from 1 to n. This is also going from 1 to n. So 3 star, new line will come, again 3 star, again new line will come, again 3 star. It's not infinite loop. It will go up to, so n is equal to 3, no. So 3 rows and columns it will print. But that is not what we want. Actually we want first 1 star only. So what is the logic for that? When I am standing in the first row, I need only 1 star. When I am standing in the second row, I need 2 star. When I am standing in the third row, I need 3 star. That is the idea. So what we are supposed to do? Row, there is no change. I need 3 rows. But columns we have to reduce. So whenever I am standing in, so j, we are not allowing to go up to n. Up to where it has to go? It has to go up to I. Whenever I value is 1, we will be getting 1 star. Whenever I value is 2, we will be getting 2 star. Whenever I value Yeah, less than or equal to, correct. J less than or equal to I. Okay, so whenever I value is 2, we will get 2 star. Okay, whenever I value is 3, we will be getting 3 star. This is the way we are supposed to do. Okay, these problems I have given in the Hackerrank. I will not delete that one. You can go to the Hackerrank and do this problem. Logic I have told you. Okay, don't write any other comments like please enter the value, the output is this one. All those things will not work. Okay, so you can go to Hackerrank. I'll just show that Hackerrank screen, my Hackerrank screen I will show. It will be like this. You have to type hackerrank.com/manifold placement training. If you type manifold placement training, you will be getting a screen like this. Okay, you can go inside that particular screen. They will be asking for enter contest. Okay, it's scrolling hackerrank.com/manifold placement training. Okay, enter contest, it will go inside. Okay, our contest name is manifold placement training. Manifold placement training is our contest name. Okay, this is the way companies will give you problem. Okay, they will be having Wipro is coming, Wipro campus drive, date July 22nd. Okay, and in that one 3 programs will be there. I also have given here 3 programs. Okay, don't think that this is very silly problem. We are beginning from the very silliest problem and slowly we are moving towards the high quality problem. Okay, what is normally happening is that people go to Hackerrank, they get a tougher problem and they stuck up over there and they are hating programming. It's not like that. Okay, anybody sitting in this live sessions, definitely they will clearly understand all the logic about programming, because from the fundamental only I am teaching. Okay, because of that reason you can see the question, that first question is odd number or even number. Any first standard student or second standard student can do that one. Okay, so from there we are starting. By the end of 120 problems you will be mastering that one. That is my guarantee. Okay, so now those who are first time in this Hackerrank, please go to this particular thing. Okay, 3 problems are there. You can go to one problem. Maybe I will go to this one problem I will do. Okay, basic pattern 1 I will do. Basic pattern 1. If you go there, the question is basic pattern 1. Okay, question name is basic pattern 1. You have to read the question very carefully. If you don't read the question, there is 90% sure that it will go wrong, because some kind of hints they will be giving in the question, and if you miss out that, you never get output for this one. Okay, fine. So you read the question, what is that? Now coming here, for reading the question and side by side doing, you can press over here. If you see the screen, you can press this C++14 is you are seeing. Okay, and I have given 2 options. Either you can do in Python also, in C++ also. Okay, I always advise you to go with C++, because any company's programming related test, okay, C++ will be an option, but there is no guarantee that Python will be there, because Python, it's very easy to learn and easy to implement. So because of that reason itself, many big functions, logic they have already written as functions. So you will be using the function and they will not be able to know that whether you know the fundamental idea of that one. So C++ and all you cannot do that like that. So competitive programming, if you want to become master, go with C++. Now if you feel it difficult, then go with Python. Okay, but in my class I will be showing you both C++ code and Python code. All the 120 problems we will be doing in Python as well as C++. Fine. So there is an option for selecting the language. If you press here, you can see the question left side and right side your Hackerrank coding platform. So I am pressing there, so it is coming like this. Okay, fine. So now you can see the question, generate a pattern. Okay, in the first line of the input, get the number of rows with the variable n. Constraint now you don't see, because that normally when we are setting a problem they are asking. Now I have not given that, simply I have given some number, so just leave it. Okay, now coming to output format, if I am giving input as 3, you should get the star, 3 stars, that stars are shown in the bottom, no, that should be the output. Now we will see how we will get that output. Okay, only it will accept 3, 1 input. Okay, n should be the input and you have to print the output. Okay, I have given many test cases. That test cases will be given to your program and it will be comparing with my output. Your output will be comparing with my output. Okay, so as of now I'll make the screen big. Okay, screen big, and so that you can see it. Okay, you come like this, you will be getting a screen for doing C++ program. Okay, now you can just delete some unwanted lines and all. Now coming over here, this enter your code here, that you can delete, because we are going to write program over there, that you can delete. Now what is the first thing we are supposed to do? We are supposed to get the input. Before that, I know that the input is actually n, so I am creating a variable int n. Okay, int n, I am creating a variable. Now what I am supposed to do, I know that I have to use 2 for loops. For that for loops I am creating 2 variables, I and j. Okay, I and j. So I have created I, j and n. N is for getting the input, I and j is for loops, 2 for loops. Otherwise I have to declare it in the for loop. So I have taken that now itself. Now C in n. What will happen? C in n, it is enabling to take the input. Now from where it will take? When you are running the program, it will be submitted to, it will go to the server, and the input which the problem setter has given, that will be taken. Okay, now with this one, what we are supposed to do? Now we have to generate the pattern. So what we are supposed to do? For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, this I understood. Okay, it's a for loop, and inside that for loop I am supposed to make another for loop. Okay, for, that is for column. Current for loop is for rows. Okay, for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus plus. Okay, fine. Now I got 2 for loops, one is for rows and another one is for columns. Now inside the columns, now here j less than or equal to n will not work. We already know it should go up to I only. If it is n, means it will print 3 or full row and column will be same. So I, j less than or equal to I. Okay, now coming to this one. Okay, I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Now coming to this one, C out. What? Every time we have to print the column, we have to print a star. How will you print the star? Star. Okay, okay, star. And after the entire column printing, I have to make a new line also. So C out. This for loop will be going till it reaches I. Okay, so C out, end line. Okay, so this is the way. Inside for loop you don't have to give curly bracket, because this for loop only one statement is there, automatically it will take. Okay, okay, C out star, automatically it will take. Now we will check whether it is correct or not. If this error is any error, we will correct it. Okay, now you can see here 2 options are there: run code and submit code. Run code and submit code. When you are running the code, what will happen? When you are running the code, what will happen? When you are running, I have given 2 kinds of test cases. Okay, first test case is known as sample test case. When you are running, this sample test case will be given to it and it will be checking. Sample test case will be given to it and it will be checking for compile time error. Okay, whether any compile time error. If it is matching, then you will know that it's compiled. Now you will be submitting the code. When you are submitting, I have given n number of other test cases. Okay, other cases. So if there is a logical error in your program, it will catch. My test cases will catch. Okay, now I will just run it. Okay, run it. Running for compile time errors and submission for in company, if once you submit, you cannot re-edit it, okay, edit it. But in my case, in this our Hackerrank problems, even if you submit also, if it is wrong, you can go and edit. So n number of times you can do it. Okay, this is for study purpose. So now I am running. So we'll check what is happening. When I am running, it is showing that sample test case 0. See here, test case 0. Test case 0 got passed. Here it is green color. Doesn't mean that this program is correct. It is having only one meaning, that your program got compiled. There is no compile time error. Test case 0 passed. Okay, I have given input as 3. Your program is generating output star, 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 star. And this output, expected output, who has given expected output? The problem setter has given expected output, and it is matching with the expected output exactly. Then it will tell that yes, it is done. Now once this phase is over, you can go to, okay, once this phase is over, now you are confident that your program is correct and there is no logical error, then you can go and submit the code. Submit. When you are submitting, it will ask, yes, submit my code. One more time it will ask. Okay, but why? Because I have option that one time submission. If you submit, after that you cannot edit. Okay, so I have given it as many times. Fine, now I am submitting. Yes, submit my code. When I am submitting, you see here, 3 test case is coming. I have given, since it's a simple problem, I have given only 3 test case. Okay, test case 0 is a sample test case 1 and test case 2. What I might have done in that one, I might have given input 5 and star, 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 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. Maybe I have given 10 as input and 10 rows star, 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 like that it will be increasing. So your program's output, that input will be given to your program. Whatever it is generating from your program, that will be compared with my output, and it is exactly matching. So it is telling us it is correct. Now you can see here, you got score 100%. So in the campus placement also, 10 or 15 test cases will be there. Okay, if all the test cases are passing, means 100%. Okay, 3 programs may be given to you, 2 programs, if all the test cases are passing, means you can clear that particular round. Okay, our aim is that. Okay, maybe our aim is more than that. We go to the next level. Maybe we can tackle more than 5 lakhs per annum salary company also. Fine, this is the way we are supposed to do. Other 2 problems I have given you the logic. Now you can go there, and how to go back, you can press here, manifold placement training. If you press there, you can go to the previous screen. Again, you can see basic max 1, basic series 1 and basic pattern 1. So you can finish basic max 1 and basic series. So all 3 you finish it. Okay, this is actually our first day class. Okay, this why we are living it through YouTube, because yesterday we have taken class through Google Meet, but the limit was 250. Many students couldn't attend. Okay, so because of that reason, today we are living through YouTube. Okay, this will be the last free online coding session. Remaining all the sessions, okay, around 50 hours online coding classes will be there, and all the sessions will be only for paid users. Okay, if at all you are interested to learn all these skills, okay, aptitude skill, coding skill and all, you can contact us. Okay, by the end of August, this particular course will be over. After this week, we will not allow anybody to enter this batch, because we already studied the fundamentals, and the next level, or when days goes by, you will not be able to follow. Okay, so we will not allow anybody to join in the next week. If at all you want to join in this particular batch, please join before the Saturday. Okay, otherwise you will not be allowed. And next batch we will be starting in, this is July, August, 2 months over, September first week only. Now after that you can join. Okay, if you are missing this batch, you can join in September first week batch. Okay, but the problem is that if at all company comes in the previous month, maybe August or normally company comes in July. Because of this corona case, it is going up to August end or September. But if you start in September, it will go another 2 months, September and October. Okay, so you will miss it. All the bulk recruiters, you will miss it. So start preparation. These all are the fundamentals. Okay, tomorrow also one free class will be there, that is connected with your general aptitude. Okay, 1 minute, give me 1 second. I'll show. So students, tomorrow also there will be a free class we will be living it through either through YouTube or Google Meet, okay, based on the interest of the student. So that also will be free. After that there will not be any free classes, okay. After that we will be continuing with the paid users, and only for them these classes will be there. Thanks a lot. Hope you all enjoyed, okay. So do all this, at least all these programs you do, these 3 programs today itself you finish it, okay. So that will be the good thing you can do today. So around 1.5 hours, 10 more minutes to that. So all the best. So I hope you enjoyed, okay. We have done little bit. So the remaining classes as usual for the paid users, next classes will be continuing, okay. So thanks a lot. Now you can leave. Thanks a lot.